Welcome to ASAP. Today we are going to work mathematics section, cards and counters exercise. This is our materials. First arrange the materials. These are numbers, these are counters. Place the numbers in right side, mixed fission. Arrange the numbers ascending order, top of the mat, left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring down the 1. Count and take 1 counter. Place below the number. Bring down 2. Count and take 2 counters. 1, 2. Bring down 3. 1, 2, 3. Bring down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bring down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bring down 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring down 9. Count and take 9 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bring down 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 is odd number. Bring down odd 1. 2 is even number. 3 is odd number. Bring down odd 1. 4 is even number. 5 is odd 1. Bring down odd 1. 6 is even number. 7 is odd 1. Bring down odd 1. 8 is even number. 9 is odd 1. Bring down odd 1. Okay? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are odd numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are even numbers. Today we have learned odd and even numbers. Please put back the materials. That's all for today. Thank you.